Hey friends, this is Saehee. In just a few days, I get to see you in person at General Council in Orlando, Florida. I am super pumped and excited to see you there and connect with you. And I know we only get together once every 2 years, so this is a prime time for us to network more meaningfully and purposefully. And that's why I just chimed in today to give you 4 simple ways where we can network with intentionality. Number 1, show up. That's right, show up. Well, I can't connect with you if you're not there, right? So I hope that you sign up for the event. And there's so many wonderful events that are happening. Go to ag.org or download that app called AG Events. I downloaded it on my phone and I'm using it to sign up for some of the events. There's so many great things that are happening. Some of them are even free. You just need to show up to network. And speaking of our Network of Women Minister, we have a booth going on. So stop by and to hang out and network with us. And I am volunteering on Monday and Tuesday during lunchtime, ladies and brothers. So show up so I can say hi to you and we can learn more about each other. So that would be pretty fun and important. Number two is free up. Free up what? Your schedule. I know this is a busy time where we jump from one event to the next and one conference to another, one prayer meeting to another. I know, I get that. It's pretty busy. But what if we created this divine margin just in case God will bring some special relationships together and we can connect? There's nothing more important than the souls. So I know we're there for a purpose, for business and all the other things, but this is also a great time that God can divinely intervene and use you. So free up that schedule a little bit and connect with people. Hey, if you are there early on Monday or Tuesday, I'm there. So if you could just want to send me an email or message, I would love to visit with you over coffee. And I can't wait to just meet with you and hear your story. I get to tell my story, but I hardly ever get to hear from you. So this will be a great time to connect. Number 3, meet up, but meet up with no agenda. You know, when we meet and network, we kind of sometimes has this agenda in our mind and we have a purpose. Oh, well, I got to meet this person because he or she is from this church and is a person of high influence. So I better be in their radar. I'm going to go and prepare. That's all good, but it's perhaps not the best way to approach this networking event. When you show up with no agenda, you get to be who you are, truly you, and that's what people want to see. But also what it does is when you meet up people with no agenda, you get to meet people from all walks of life. Last in General Council, I had a divine opportunity to connect with one of the janitors working at the event. And she was kind of curious about our group and asking questions here and there. And so I got to answer her questions. I got to ask about her life. At the end of the event, she actually gave her life to Jesus because we built that relationship over that short period of time. So who knows what God can do through your time, right? And your presence. So network with people broadly, widely, meet anybody that God brings you to you and have no agenda. And when you don't have any agenda, God will do his divine plan through you. And here's the last one. Follow up. When you come, I hope that you're coming with all these awesome business cards to connect with people. In fact, bring the whole box full so you can share and network with people. And what these business cards do is that when you come home, you can actually look through their names and their ministries and pray for them. Not only that, you can actually write up a short, sweet notes and to stay connected. God will bring some divine opportunities for you to connect as you come ready to show up, free up your schedule, and meet up without agenda and follow up after the event so that this divine networking thing that you're doing or will start at General Council will continue for the rest of your ministry. Well, I hope to see you once again at AG General Council. I can't wait to see you. I love you, friends, and I'm praying for you. God bless.